happy birthday. Pero, muhatag na ko ay, kanang gamay nga message. Hilakon, ako may ito hilakon ay. Happy 18th birthday, Gabriela. It feels so surreal to see you. Standing here tonight, all grown up. I met you when you were just 10 years old. A sweet, curious child with so much ahead of her. And now, look at you. Anyway guys, pagbalhin magbato sila sa mga. Kita pwede na magdula sa imong toys. Kita pwede na magtanaw og cartoon sa inyo ha. Oh, sila na, sila Arky, si Gabriela, sila Cielo, sila Erica. Morag sila na akong anak-anak dito sa among Black 4. O, di ba? Kahit ako nagkurog ko. And now you are 18, blowing into strong, beautiful young woman. Watching you grow through the years has truly been a privilege and blessings. Being part of your 18th bills tonight is something I hold close to my heart. This bill is not just a gift, but a symbol of my support, prayers, and belief in you as you seek adulthood. Rather, may it remind you that someone has witnessed your journey from childhood to this very special moment. I'm so proud of you for the person you become. I should begin this new chapter, new phase life with courage, kindness, confidence, dream big, stay humble, and never forget your values. Life may not always be easy, but always remember that you are capable, loved, and never alone. Happy birthday, Gabriela. May your future be bright, your heart be strong, and your dreams slowly turn into reality. Always remember, I'm always here. Dugdoon na lang ha, magdakang ka sa door. Umuchat ka lang in the middle of the night. Tita, pwede ko mo lang sa imong plan sa. Bano na sad ko, kuha lang dapit niya ka ba, lugar ba ko mumata. Agan nga, nara ko pirmi. Nara ko pirmi. Happy birthday. I love you.
Thank you, Gabi. Next kay ang